to begin, let's look at the definition, again taken from Lance College, of what an inductive argument is. And here remember that the primary difference between a deductive and an inductive argument deal with their relative strength of their conclusions related to their premises. An inductive argument is an argument in which it is thought that the premises provide reasons supporting the probable truth of the conclusion. Note the difference between probable truth and guarantee of the truth. Here we are dealing with either or, yes or no, binary, 1, 0. It is either entirely true or entirely false. Here we have a percentage. It may be true, it may be not. And the way we determine whether or not it's more or less likely to be true, again, deals with what the premises have to say, whether or not they are true, and the relationship to the verbiage of the conclusion. In an inductive argument, the premises are intended only to be so strong that if they are true, then it is unlikely that the conclusion is false. Notice another similar difference. In a deductive argument, we have that the premises, if they are true, it would be impossible for the conclusion to be false. Here in an inductive argument, we have that if the premises are true, then it is simply unlikely that the conclusion is false. Let's look at a hypothetical argument with its visualization down below to fully appreciate, or at least more fully appreciate, the difference between deductive and inductive arguments. All humans have hair. This is A. So below we have, well, let me take one step back. So this is saying that the category of humans and the category of hair, they have a relationship, and it is saying that most humans, so most of the category of humans overlap with this hair category here. So we have all humans, and within the totality of humans, this is saying that most humans have hair. So while the entire category of humans is not filled up with this green circle, most of it is. So we have most of the category of humans being filled up with hair. And of course, if you have hair and if you are a human, you are within both of these. So we have most humans have hair, although not all. Here in A, we have all humans are mammals. Here we have most humans have hair. B, Joe is a human. So B is represented by this circle over here, and sorry if that's a little hard to see. However, we notice that this circle, it overlaps with both categories. We don't know yet if Joe has hair. We can't logically demand that he does or that he doesn't. We do know that if Joe is a human, and if most humans have hair, then he probably does have hair, but it's still possible he is within this non-hair component of the category of humans who don't have hair. So therefore, C, Joe most likely has hair. But we don't know for sure. It is possible he doesn't have hair, and that wouldn't contradict the relationship between A and B. If he doesn't have hair, it still wouldn't contradict C, because this isn't saying Joe does have hair. It's simply saying the percentage of the percentage of Joe having hair is high, because most humans do have hair. A high percentage of humans have hair. So here, blue, this represents Joe. He is within the category of humans. He also, conceptually, is mostly within the category of with hair, but it's possible he is a non-haired human as well. So I hope that this video showcases the difference between deductive and inductive arguments in a compelling way. Deductives Deductive arguments are structured in a way that if the premises are true, it guarantees that the conclusion is not false. An inductive argument is structured in such a way that if the premises are true, it is simply unlikely that the conclusion is false.